you are new in this channel, this is a channel of amazing videos, unique recipe, breakfast ideas, and all that. So kindly view my videos. If you like them, consider subscribing and then share with your friends. But remember also to turn on your notification bell so that whenever I post in a video, you will be among the first people to see my videos. So my people, if you've been following my videos, I hope you've seen certain recipes that I've done with the mangoes. Guys, it's mango season, and I said that this time we should try to play around with these mangoes to make various recipes. I've already done drinks like juices, smoothies, milkshake, some cakes, and guys, somebody asked me today if I can make any snack, any snack using mango. So that is our video today. Of course, cake is also a snack, but we are going to do mango popcorn snack. So guys, these are my popcorns, and these are the corns that I'm going to use to make my popcorn. First of all, make sure you select it well to ensure that there are no stones at all. So this is half kg. I have half kg. Guys, this recipe is very important, guys, especially if you want to start a small business. It's a very it has a good amount of profit, almost 40%. So this, if you want to start this business, please try this out, and also make sure that you learn about this. That when you're making popcorn, okay, there is an equipment that one can use for making this, especially commercial. But then also to boost your business, you need to make them in different flavors, and that's why Baby Kid is coming up with ideas. This unique ideas of adding flavors to your popcorns. Popcorns can be done in so many ways by use of different flavors. You can make also colored popcorn. There's school children, children love popcorn so much, parties, picnics, and all that. So let's get to the cooking. Because I have one large mango here, and then I have sugar. I'm going to use some cooking oil, but if you so wish, you can use some butter. And I also have my orange food color to make it a bit yummy or something like that. So another thing is, if at all you are using food color for popcorn, you have to use the jelly colors. But now, because we are going to use mangoes, and mangoes paste is a bit heavy, I'm not going to use the jelly color. I'm just going to use natural food, normal food color. Right, mango. Start by cutting it. After washing it, So guys, I'm only going to use this one line mango. Start by blending my mangoes first, because what we need here is just the mango paste. Get some little my paste in here. So my orange food color. So just put at least a bit, because when we after doing the popcorn, we can still have some color on that line. Then give it a booster. Make sure you mix up everything. Some people also prefer putting salt immediately, but it's not the best. This is how we're done. This is the time. This is my mango paste. And then make sure you So guys, at this point, I'm going to add in my popcorns. Stir it well and make it. So at this time now, I'm going to cover it. You can see my paste is draining and it's almost getting over, and my corn seeds have started changing, and now at this point, just for me to avoid once it has started popping like this, now you have to keep on stirring so that every part of it cooks well. So I will just cover it and let it work. So guys, you need to keep stirring so that every part So guys, you need to keep stirring so that every part guys. So guys, look at this, look at my popcorns. They are done. They are done, and guys, if you can see this this black, this is the puree, orange mango puree, which has been cooked, and this is it. Very, very tasty. It's making this popcorn taste much better. You don't think they are burned, they are burned. These are just the best of the mango. So guys, look at this, look at my popcorn. very very tasty. It's making this coconut taste much better. So don't think they have done their bad. These are just the taste of the Wow, these are my popcorns, the mango flavor popcorn recipe. Kindly try it out. Very, very nice, very tasty. The mango gives it a very, very nice flavor, guys. I'm really enjoying this. So, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you try it out. And we are still in mango season, and Rebby Kit is bringing you more on mango recipe. And in our next video, we are going to do mango chicken masala recipe. Kindly, let's meet in another video. Bye bye.